Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Hopper app not working. So let's just get straight into the video. Here are a couple of steps you can simply go ahead and follow. The first being force closing and trying to reopen your Hopper application, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you might want to simply go ahead and try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. You can also try toggling on and off your airplane mode to give it a quick refresh. If that is not the case, a couple of settings might be interfering. So go to your settings, go to general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings, and finally reset all settings. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.